Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel, Two Brothers Outdoors. Tonight we're going to continue cutting up this hard maple tree that we cut down about a week ago. The base log is going to go to a crafter that builds Windsor chairs. The log is going to stay complete. He will break it down. The second log up in the tree we cut into 4/4 boards, and this is the fourth log up in the tree where a crotch is. It's got some very interesting features to it.
We'll try them out one day.
Kind of excited to get into it and see what we have. You're going to hear a noise in just a minute, and it's funny. Guess what it is, but
Get ready, down to 31 degrees. Cold. Well, so I don't heat it up, I'll turn the heater on. I do have it out here now, see? See how it fits nicely down here? Yeah, I see that. Perfect. Ah, shoot. Sorry. Too wide? By the time I get it where I can pinch it, this is going to be easier. She's mad, Tilly. Mad, all right. What? I got 23 hours on here? Oh, time flies when you're having fun, huh? Well, hey, there's somebody in your driveway. You expecting somebody tonight? You? No. Somebody said they're coming out tomorrow night. Oh, stop it. Stop. Oh. Come here. Stop. Stop. Come here. You're part of Hud-son? Huh? Part of Hud-son? We have 2 Hud-son sawmills. Yeah, they're
all right, well, we got a customer, so we're going to take care of that real quick. All right, guys, we're back. This log's got some interesting features in it. It looks like it might be a wound right here, just before the crotch. We're not sure, but when we get into it, you can bet we're going to find some real funky looking stuff. Kind of excited to open it up. Alright guys, it's 28 degrees outside, a little bit cold. Closed up the curtains, try to retain a little bit of the heat off the engine and off the salamander. Doing pretty good. Alright, you got your typical white, very clear hard maple right here. You get up here to where that spot was, got some real color in there. You also got rot, some real rot. whatever that wound is, it was rotting in the tree.
But now they can pull piece for
Doesn't
somebody.
matter. Somebody used that with epoxy. All right, Tim's getting kind of close to his dogs and his log stop, so I'm pointing it out to him so he can watch for it. Okay, we've turned the log over. We'll start sawing it on the other side, and there's some interesting features over here as well. All right, I'm starting to see some curly maple and a couple of knots right there, and there's kind of a funny spot right here. We'll see what's inside once we open it up. All right, it's down to 28 degrees outside. The hot air off the engine is warming the building up pretty good, but I'm still a little chilly, so I'm going to sit here by the salamander and we'll watch him finish sawing up this log from this warm spot right here. We're on the last cut. Going to be kind of interesting to see what we have on the inside. It's almost like Christmas morning when you're a 9-year-old opening presents. Alright guys, you might think inside this building we'd be suffocated from all the exhaust fumes, but if you look up here in the eaves, these are open and the exhaust goes right out, but yet between the engine and the salamander, even though it's 26 degrees outside now,
Not too bad.
it's pretty warm in here. Can't see your breath, so it's got to be above 40. Alright, we're going to scrape these off and see what we got. Alright guys, this is really coming out pretty. Look at that, right there. Isn't that something? Got a wild streak in this one. Even these little ones right here are really interesting. Alright, we're going to continue to scrape. See what we got. Alright, some of these smaller pieces, these are really cool. Look at this. Looks like it's got a river running through it. This one right here the same way, and the crotches are the same way. Somebody will snatch those up. Absolutely, somebody will snatch those up quickly. All right, we ended up getting some curly maple. Let's see if the light allows us to see it.
That looks nice.
That one's got curly all the way through it. Somebody gonna love that one too. It's a nice piece of wood. All right,
You got gloves on, right?
just about done. I don't have gloves now. Take a look at this. Look at that color. Alright guys, the temperature is drastically dropping outside. We had 18 degrees this morning, but it's got to be down around 22 right now. It's cold.
Probably about 50 or 55 in here.
Yeah, I don't think it's that warm. I can see my breath again.
I turned the fans on.
Alright guys, you gonna stay with me here for the closing? Or you gonna
Oh, yeah. Let's just turn the fans off because it's a little chilly.
Alright guys, thanks for coming along with us tonight. Subscribe to our channel, hit that subscription button, thumbs up.
Notifications bell.
You know why.
You don't miss any of our picture videos.
Alright guys, thanks for coming
I've
along.
been dying to say that for a little while.
Until the next one, we will catch you later.
Bye-bye now.